color of her hair, like a cheap distraction for a new affair. She never finished before it began.